take it off.
Wow.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know.
Is it a tent?
Yeah.
Did you thank Mama for it?
Is it for me?
It is for you.
Can you go inside?
Is it for the winter?
It's for all the time, buddy. Now you can have a place to read your books.
Mama, I need books and stuffed animals.
Books and stuffed animals.
Uh-huh. Please.
What do you think of your tent?
Better. Oh, please put some in. Cheese.
You got a dog.
Come on.
You got books and your Froggy pillow and Gig'em.